Welcome back to UK Theme Parks, and as we check out this classic footage of Black Buccaneer in 2003, that is what we're going to be discussing in this video. Finally, Chessington World of Adventures announced that a Black Buccaneer, or some kind of pirate ship, will be returning to the park in 2020. Now then, we can't actually say for sure what it is, to be honest with you. We just know something is going to be coming back for this coming season. Will it be open at the start? Well, we're not sure. However, 2019, let's take you back. 6 to 8 weeks into the season, we were presented with this sign by the Black Buccaneer, which had no sign of life, saying it had run ashore and won't be setting sail in 2019. Now, very oddly enough, it did set sail in 2019 because these pictures here were taken on its last day of operation, which was the last day of the Winter's Tale event, which actually run into the new year, run to the 2nd, 3rd of January. So it did run in 2019. As you can see here, compared to where we started, the supports were great. It had undergone quite a lot of work. It had been sandblasted, it had been taken back, rumours that these had actually been replaced as well, and yet there seemed to be more of a problem with the ride. What you see here is the current state of the ride. As it is now, there's nothing in sight whatsoever. But what can we expect from this announcement from the park for 2020? Well, I have to say we're not sure. You know, the boat underwent some massive refurbishment. It looked stunning. It looked amazing. Been completely repainted and everything. So, you know, the news that it's going to come back in a different form, well, we're not really too sure. But what do you think? This is the picture the park posted. This iconic shot where we've also just frozen our frame with a big question mark over the ride. Now, we do actually know it is coming back, or a pirate ship is coming back for 2020. So what does the question mark relate to? Well, it was followed with this tweet. Now then, let's take a look at this. Chessington World of Adventures posted, last season Black Buccaneer set sail and now there's a new ship on the horizon, but there's mutiny on the Bounty and the pirates. Need your help to name this fearsome blue arrival. Now then, of course, you know, the instant thing is to say there's a new ship coming. However, you know, what Merlin classes new and what other places classes new doesn't necessarily mean this will be new. This could be completely refurbished. And, you know, as we said, with the work gone on in it, we're really not too sure exactly what this means for the Black Buccaneer. And we have some questions. And we have some questions that, quite honestly, we currently can't answer. So, question number 1. Is it the same boat? Is it the same ride? Is it a new ride? And if it's a new ride, is it the same size? Because quite importantly, this was the largest swinging ship in Europe when it opened. And, you know, it's a stunning ride. It is a stunning pirate ship. We don't want to see them replaced with anything smaller. But what do you think? What do you think Chessington World of Adventures are up to for 2020? Is this just a clever marketing campaign where they're going to completely rebrand what they have? You know, it's all fixed up and it's kind of ready to go. Or are we expecting something genuinely new to come in? You know, we're not actually too sure on the Huss models whether or not they can get a new one in which would fit the existing boat, as they've done a lot of work to it, or whether or not we are getting a completely new ride in, which is maybe why the ride system has remained, or whether or not that's going to be replaced as well. But this is what the boat looked like at the beginning of the year with its grey supports. It was a bit strange, to be fair, that the park didn't paint them, but you can see the ship is glistening, absolutely glistening, even on a dark and dreary day. And you can see the height of it is fantastic compared to, I don't know, Jolly Rocker down the road, or even Banana Boat, which is a completely, smaller model. And that's not what we want at Chessington. Chessington have lost Ramesses' Revenge in 2019, and we want to make sure that Black Buccaneer comes back. So they're having a competition to rename the new pirate ship. The blue seems to be the key, but what do you think? What do you think we're going to get? We told you we thought it was coming back. We believed it was coming back. Something is coming back. But what are we going to see? What is this pirate ship going to bring us? Leave your comments below. We really want to know your thoughts on this, because I have to be honest, we don't exactly know what's coming back. Do you? Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.